Let me show you some really cool tricks on Photoshop Beta. First, how do you install it? You go to your Creative Cloud and you make sure you go to Apps, Beta, and click on Install on Photoshop Beta. Once you install it, you're gonna have an open button and you open it. When it is open, it's gonna be this logo here, okay? So make sure it's running in memory because I'm here in Lightroom and I'm gonna do some Photoshop Beta magic on this one. So I'm gonna right click, edit, Photoshop 2024, but because the beta is installed, I get this new option, open in Adobe Photoshop Beta. So I'm gonna say edit original because that's what I wanna do. So this is me in Iceland and I wanna make some magic with Photoshop Beta. First here, a new option, which is remove background. They've improved this option. And when you click remove background, you have a new option, which is to generate a background. So I'm gonna show you different options. I'm gonna click generate a background and I'm gonna say, snowy mountains, for example, generate. And boom. And if you have the property panel, you can see I have option 1, option 2, option 3. So it's not bad, different options, but I don't really like the snowy mountain. So I show you a really cool trick. You can actually use the new Firefly, which is kind of like an AI generated software that's included in Photoshop. So I want to generate with AI like a background, which I think is going to be better than this one. So I'm going to go to image size, and in inches, it's 33 point, roughly 33 and 18. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go to File, New, and I'm going to go to Photo, and I'm going to say 33 and 18 because that's about the size that I want to generate. And because you create a new file, you have this new option called Generate Image. And it's like MIDJOURNEY. If you ever use MIDJOURNEY, I'm going to say snowy mountains. All right, snowy mountains. And art, photo, yes. I'm not going to put a reference image first, and let's see what it does. So you have the option to put a reference image or not. I'm going to show you what that is. Okay, so that's without a reference image. So it's giving us this and this. It looks kind of AI, but I kind of like this one. So I can just drag and drop it here, holding the shift key so that it's going to drop in place. Okay, not so bad, not so bad. Let's see if we can do better by giving it a reference image. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to choose an image. And I found this like very small resolution photo of a small image, but a really nice one. And I'm going to click on generate. So I just went on Google Image and I typed beautiful snowy mountain. I found an image. It was very small and I put it as a reference image. And let's see what the AI is going to give us. Okay, kind of different. Not so bad, not so bad. I kind of like more that. You know, it has an AI feel to it. I think I'm going to use this one as, yeah, this one, which is the one that I use, is actually better. Okay, and I'm actually, for some reason, the image is a bit bigger. Yeah, you see, you can hold on the Option key to make it match. And voila. Okay, and for the fun, I can also take this out, and then let's try edit background. Let's try sand dunes Giza. For example, I'm gonna pretend that I was in Giza. Okay, it's giving me 3 options. Not so bad. This is kind of cool, but I don't like what it generates. I like more this option where you go here and I'm going to click on sand dunes Giza, and reference image. I'm going to I have no reference image. Let's try that. Okay, first image is really weird. Second is kind of nicer. Wow, that's way nicer. I really like the second image. It looks very real to me. So I'm going to click and drag and drop it. Make sure you hold on shift. And pretty cool. It's actually a bit big. So I'm going to put my head over the sky like that. And I can also move myself very easily. Like for example here. Okay, that's good. So that's one version. Okay, And I'm going to create an image. I'm going to flatten the image, but just to show you, I'm going to flatten a new layer. So for this, you have to press the most crazy shortcut of all time, which is Command, Option, Shift, E. And that's going to create a layer with everything. I flatten everything into this one layer. And now I want to use AI to change my jacket. So I'm going to go here, make a rough selection of my jacket like this. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Generative Fill. I'm going to go here, choose an image as a reference. I have this red jacket that I found. Open. And then I'm going to say Generate. I'm not even going to say anything. And let's see if it does the job. I don't think it's going to work. I think you need to say Change Jacket. But I'm just trying stuff, so you don't have to. Okay, pretty weird. It's trying to put the jacket on me, but it's pretty weird. It doesn't really work. Okay, let's try. I'm going to erase that. Let's do it again. But this time I'm going to tell him to change the jacket. Not sure if that's going to help. So it is very limited, but it's kind of, I like the background thing. Change jacket. Change jacket in red. Okay, let's make sure I have the reference image again. Let's see if it does a better job. No, it does not really do a better job. So, I mean, it's kind of there, but it really looks weird. So let's not do that. But I'm going to use AI to take care. Like, I had a weird tripod that day, which is not mine. So I'm just going to select that and click Generate, and that should take care of that, which is kind of cool. And voila. So pretty cool. We've got snow mountains, or we got sand dunes. I kind of like that, to be able to generate that directly into Photoshop. You don't have to go to MIDJOURNEY and export if you don't know how to use MIDJOURNEY. It's kind of cool. Let's see here. Also, a new feature in this beta version is the adjustment brush. So the way it works is you select the adjustment brush and you make a selection. So you click Apply to Object, and then you select, I'm going to select my face, for example. And that's going to try to make like a selection of just my face. And then I can go, for example, to photo filter. A photo filter, you see, I can make my face warmer or dark. Let's say I want to make it a bit warmer, so it matches more but you see, I don't like what it did on the jacket, so I can go here on minus, and the adjustment brush will only be on my face, for example. So, and you can see here, before, after. Kind of cool, kind of cool. Anyway, Photoshop Beta is kind of a cool tool to use. I'm still exploring it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and make sure you subscribe, because I have an amazing video coming up on photography composition I spend months doing. You don't want to miss this one.